Good morning, ladies and gents. Back with another Leonardo AI video. This time around, we're going to be looking at two brand new models that have just come into Leonardo, and these are amazing. Before I get into it, though, please hit that like button, share this video around to everybody that you think will be interested in this, and hit that subscribe button for everything from Leonardo. So, to get onto these new models, go onto the homepage, hit your image creation button. This will take you then into your image creation station, and this is where we can start selecting our models. So the new models that I'm going to be looking at today are Flux Dev and Flux Schnell. Now, I understand that Phoenix 1.0 has come out. That will be in a separate video, but Flux Dev and Flux Schnell, these really have taken me by surprise, and I am absolutely in love with these models and what they can do. So Flux Dev is described as a flexible model for creating detailed and realistic images. Flux Schnell is a high-speed model for fast quality outputs. Now, the differences in tokens between these models is very, very high. I'm going to leave it I'm going to say that, and what I'm going to do is actually show you a bit of the difference between both models, because I actually personally have not found much difference in terms of quality between them. Both are very, very quick, and both put out some very, very nice, good looking kind of stuff. So we're just going to have a realistic photo of a tree in a field with the sun shining. So this in the Flux Dev model is going to cost me 78 tokens, which is actually quite a lot for 8 pictures at the 16:9 ratio in the large image size. Unfortunately, this isn't outputting at 1080p, so what you'll have to do with any images that you do like is you're going to have to upscale them either through Leonardo at an additional cost of credits or through a different program. However, the larger picture we can make, the better, because when we do upscale it, it should sort it out a little bit better. So, realistic photo of a tree in a field with the sun shining, that's going to cost us 78 tokens with Flux Dev. Now, just bear in mind, I am not speeding up this video at all, and you will see just how fast these images are being made. So what I've done in the second one is I've then changed it to Flux Schnell, which is the quick mode. This is apparently the quality mode. As you can see, both images have completed in less than 15 seconds, which I think personally is absolutely amazing. If you are looking at making banks of pictures and you need a lot of them, this is the way to do it. Now, the quality in difference. So bear in mind, this is Flux Schnell. So this apparently is the lesser quality one. This is the one that just makes pictures very, very quickly. Flux Dev, remember, that's the one that's making realistic, very good quality. This is absolutely insane quality. I think that's really, really good. That could be used as a stock image, I think, very, very well. After you upscale it and everything, get it up to kind of the stock image kind of requirements. Even Flux Schnell, which is only costing you 20 tokens for 8 pictures at 16:9, I think the quality on these is absolutely amazing. I'm really, really impressed by this. Obviously, you can turn your prompt enhance off, you can change the creative style, all the rest of it. I'm just going to run this again, but I'm going to actually run it in stock photo, because this is the one I usually use. Even there, though, really impressed with these images. These are the Flux Dev ones. Again, exactly the same criteria, exactly the same prompt, exactly the same model and everything in terms of the style. The only difference, this being Flux Dev, even these absolutely amazing pictures with the sun in background. Really, really nice images. What is taking me by surprise, though, is just how fast they're going. Here, Flux Schnell, I've just done these. They've already completed in that time. I have not sped this video up at all. What I'm going to do is not click on anything other than generate now, and you're literally going to be able to see just how fast these are going to come up. Remember, this Flux Dev, this is not the speedy version. This is the more high quality version. That has completed in less than 8 seconds for 8 images. That is absolutely insane how fast that is happening. Really, really cool, really, really good. And I have to say, if you're looking at getting into AI images and making them for whatever reason, now is definitely the time to start investing in Leonardo AI. I will leave a link down in the description box below for you so you can go through that. Obviously, I do get a little bit of a kickback from that, so I'll be very appreciative if you go through that affiliate link. Really, really good. Not only are these two new models brand new, we also have Flow State, which I have covered in a previous video. Very, very cool kind of thing to use. We also have Phoenix 1.0 as well, which, like I said, will be covered in a separate video. I'm going to leave the video there. Thank you very much for watching. Have you used both of these new models? If you have, let me know what your thoughts are on them. Thank you very much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, share this video around, hit that like button, and I will catch you out in the world of Leonardo.